Hey guys, in today's video I would like to show an interesting idea about making an invention that will include two ideas. In general, this is also veiled said because I do not want to reveal everything now. Watch this video to the end and then you will understand what is most necessary for you and whether this invention is useful for you. So let's get to work, and first I will tell you what I need for this. Perhaps someone remembers that a few months ago I dismantled an old Soviet cabinet and made myself a workbench. That left me with a lot of details. These are fasteners, bolts, and such aluminum and possibly silicone fasteners that were screwed into the chipboard and served as an adapter so that you could screw a bolt into the chipboard. And at a time when I have accumulated a lot of such junk, I try to find a useful use for it. So let's get to work. To begin with, we need to screw a bolt into this fixture, but making only one turn. Then we turn it over, taking a drill for 5.5 mm, make a hole, or in other words, grind the thread to the bolt. We screw the workpiece into the vise and carefully, using a screwdriver, we grind the thread. Unscrew the bolt and, taking a small drill bit, make a hole to the middle. The first idea is ready. If anyone has not guessed, this is a small mold for casting fishing sinkers. In order to cast a sinker, we take a cloth, insert it into the hole, then fill the mold with lead or tin and heat it up with a burner. We take a screwdriver and screw the screw. As a result of the work done, we get such a small fishing sinker and a portable form for their manufacture. Well, now let's get to the second idea of using this form. To begin with, we clamp it in a vise and make a small slot on the side. I will tell you a little about the use of this form. I think many of you, especially in childhood, when you often rode a bicycle and loved to brake sharply, the brake cable was turned at this particular barrel. And at that time, such cables were not cheap or simply there was a shortage. Then each of us tried to invent something. Some took the screw nuts and pinched them and used them. However, this solution was not enough for large mileage. Well, today, with the help of this form, we will be able to cast exactly the same working body, and it will actually be no different from the factory one. Of course, time has flown by unnoticed, years have passed, much has changed, and whether to repair the cables from bicycles, it's up to you. The only reasonable solution, I think, today is the repair of cables from some motorcycles and mopeds, since the price for them is much higher. But today's video has come to the end. Thank you all so much for your attention, for watching it, and please do not forget to write in the comments what you would like me to show in my next videos, and also write what your first mode of transport was. Have a nice day, bye-bye.